Summa Travel commented, can I transfer my credit of study to another country? Yes. Hello everyone, it's Tim Bob. Welcome back to my first Q&A video. Today I'll be answering all the questions you guys left in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? I'm really happy today. You know why? Because I just reached 1000 subscribers in my YouTube channel. And guess what? I'm throwing a party today. Now I am at the supermarket to buy all the stuff I need to celebrate. This is my first time going to a supermarket riding my inline skate. Before going to the spot, I want to say thanks to each and every one of you who supported my channel. I just bought this Digestive Classic. I heard that my friends, they really like this biscuit. Have you seen who's heading? My first guest just arrived. Are you serious? I'm not gonna hold any party with humans in this time of global crisis and disease. Look at them, they are like super hungry. Usually there are many people to feed them, but for this disease and pandemic, there is almost no one to feed them. This is the best party I can throw in the time of pandemic. They just love the biscuits. Look how many of them are there. In this time of pandemic, nobody is there to feed them. So I am here with my biscuits to throw the party. Anyway, let me find a place where I can sit and answer all the questions you guys left in the comment section. As Denmark is flat, this is the highest mountain you can get. I'm just kidding. I'm in top of the cycling shield. They made it like really good. Down to this you can put your bike. Talha bin Khalid commented, where are you from? So I'm from Bangladesh. Dick Thambekar commented, what are you studying? So I'm doing my bachelor in business administration. Smith Sudel and Ridoy Mahamud commented, if we can pay our tuition fee by doing part-time job. Also, Shupto Sabrina commented, is it possible to earn tuition fees and living expenses? Both questions and answer is almost similar. Basically, students from EU don't have to pay any tuition fees in Denmark. In fact, they get paid for studying. Also, students who come for master's degree program with Erasmus don't have to pay tuition fees. There are some scholarship programs as well for international students. But if you are someone who have to pay tuition fees, in most cases you pay almost 50% from your home country for masters, and also you pay 10% of it from your home country if you come for bachelor. So the question is, if you can pay the rest from here in Denmark just by working part-time. Yes, it was possible to pay the rest from doing part-time, but now it's so tough because of this global crisis. Most of the students losing their jobs. I don't know how long it will gonna continue, but before most of the student was able to, but truly saying it's so difficult if you're thinking something like that. For me, it would never be possible if I didn't have support from my family. You need to think twice if you don't have any backup plans. What Travel commented, can I transfer my credit of study to another country? Yes brother, you can surely do that, but you need the IELTS to transfer your credit to another university in another country, and also some university require you to have a minimum grade. Fardin Shorkar from Bangladesh, he commented that if he can apply for bachelor after giving HSC. Yes brother, you can surely do that. Then Versi Soluja commented business opportunities क्या है Indians के लिए. So there are many business opportunities for Indians as there are many Indian restaurants and many other Indian business in Denmark. So it is possible to open up a new business in Denmark. Mullah Culture and Mohammed Kamli commented that they want to know about the IELTS requirement for master's program. I can say that the minimum IELTS you can have is 6.5 universities. It also varies from university to university. Like some university also requires 7, but I think minimum 6.5 is enough. So Hena Asma, she has the CPR of Denmark, but she wanted to know how can she get a visa card. You just need to get the job contract, and if you go to any bank with the job contract and tell them that I want a visa card or MasterCard, they will just simply make one for you. Singhani commented when the college will reopen. So as it is locked down for like 2 months, I think it will open soon. Somir Waris asked how hard the Danish language is as he applied for work permit in Denmark. They want him to learn Danish, and I want to say that you can learn Danish easily if you go and get admitted to any language course. I know many people they learned Danish language in 6 months, so it's not as tough as people say. If you go and admit to any language course, you just need to work hard for it. MD Faisal has been in London before, but he want to ask that if he comes to Denmark, he can find an English speaking job or not. Yes brother, you can easily find an English speaker job. Like everybody in Denmark knows like English so fluently and can speak. Like 70% of Danish people, they speak more fluent English. Melly Roy commented how to pay tax. Is it yearly or monthly, or does it comes deducted from the wage? So it will be deducted from your wage. Whenever your employer will pay you the salary, you will get the deducted amount or the salary after tax straight to your bank account. The good thing is that you will get many benefits in return whenever you pay taxes, and the benefits are like holiday money and also the tax return amount. Although Denmark charge a high rate of tax, but you will get it in return just by the way of social benefits and all other benefits you get from the government, and that's why Danes love to pay their taxes. RDM Show commented, what are the options for doctors? So there are like many options for doctors, but I will not speak about this in this video because this video is going way longer, and also I have described it in my previous video. So I would recommend you to go to my previous video called the highest jobs in Denmark. You will just find all the information about doctors related over there. Rajan Bappi just got admitted to IUB, and first I want to say that congratulations to get admission in IUB, and he wants to know that if he goes to IUB, if he can manage everything like work and everything as Copenhagen. Yes, brother, you can manage that, but it will not be as convenient as Copenhagen, as many people are in Copenhagen. It's easier for you to find jobs and everything in Copenhagen, but I can say that if you even go and study outside Copenhagen universities like IUB, Roskilde universities, you can easily come to Copenhagen and work because it takes 2-3 hours to take a regional train and come to Copenhagen. So I don't think there is anything to worry about. Moreover, I want to say that in this time of pandemic and economic crisis, the wise decision would be staying with your family, supporting each other, help the people in need. I really hope that God give us the strength to overcome the situation we are going through. Stay blessed, stay positive, and again, thanks for all the support, much appreciated. So that's it for today. If you guys have more questions, just leave a comment down below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I will always post this kind of content to help you guys. And thank you for today. See you in my next video. Until then, peace.